Good morning. A lot of people have gotten up the last few days, opened their website, and got a surprise. Um, Elementor has made a pretty big change to their content management layout. So if you go to Edit with Elementor, you'll notice that things look quite a bit different. Um, this is a beta trial that they have been working on for a while, but it appears that in the last update they forced it through or um, activated it on everyone's website. So it used to be that you would come down here and you would have your publish button, you'd have your toggle, you'd have the button for to look at your site in different responsive settings. And up here you had a hamburger menu that had a whole host of options, and that's where you would click to view your site. So now if you go here, you can't view your page. You can exit to WordPress, um, but it's just quite a bit different than it was. So um, the most common questions I've been getting is, how do I view my site or view my page? And so that is over here. So your publish button that used to be down here, it's moved up here. So here is where you would publish your changes. And then when you click here, then you can view your page over here. So it's just almost a complete flip flop. And then the other question I've heard is, how do I add a element, like if I'm not sure, like if you're on one of these other screens, like if you get here, your little toggle over here, the little thing that looked like a Rubik's Cube is gone. And that is replaced by this add element button right here. So you have to close this drawer. I have not made any changes. And then you can click on this to get your toolbox back. So what if you look at this and you're like, I don't want anything to do with this? I will do more of a deep dive into this a little bit later, but what if you just don't want to have this view and you want to go back to the old Elementor? What you'll do is you'll go up here, exit to WordPress, and once you get to your dashboard, then you'll go to Elementor and you'll want to click Settings and Features. Once you get to Features, you're going to scroll all the way down here and see right here where it says Editor Top Bar. See, it used to is a sneak peek of the new editor powered by React. This is that top bar editor that everybody is seeing now. If you want to go back to the old one that you are familiar with that worked pretty well, just change this to inactive. Save the changes. Visit the site just to confirm that your changes are back, and click on Edit with Elementor, and you will be greeted with the editing bar that you are used to. So your update button's down here. This is how it's been for years. And so if you want to go back to this, that is how you do it. Again, I'll just run through that one more time. That is under, I gotta click the button, I guess. That is under Elementor, Settings, Features, all the way at the bottom, Editor Top Bar. Thank you and have a great day. Let me know if you have questions.